think I'm going to do anything today exciting in this vlog other than show you the rain and talk about the rain. Oh yeah, the holiday party was last night. Thanks for coming out, everybody. That was a whole lot of fun. Just kind of out getting some fresh air right now, enjoying the rain. It's awesome. I love it. Yeah, I don't think I can splash through this one. I think it's a little too deep. Yeah, I'll go around. Okay, well, I'm going home now. The party was great last night. Thanks for everyone for coming. It's a very low-key day for me. Yeah, as you can tell, very stormy. Hat almost gonna blow off. Regardless, not much else to say. It was a super fun party. Oh yeah, we had Yankee Swap, which was really fun. I won a throwing star. I'll show you guys, it's really cool. Stephanie won some candy, which is awesome, so we can eat candy. But other than that, it seemed like everyone had a great time. Happy Saturday, everyone. Happy holidays, too. Are you guys going to holiday parties? Let me know what you guys have planned. Goodbye.